guys. We have a special
Look at
unboxing.
Hudson.
This is gifts for Hudson. For birthday boy Hudson, because it's still April. From our wonderful, extra good channel supporter, Patreon member, also Olga Barasoain. I don't know if I said the last name right, but I think I got it right. I said it real fast.
Yep.
Okay, so here we go. Hudson. Birthday boy.
It's your
Let's
birthday.
get this open. Ooh, here's a card first.
All right. Oh, look at that cool paper.
I know. JamesandKarla Hudson.
Oh, it's Pooh.
It's Winnie the Pooh and Piglet.
Oh, look.
It's a piglet. It's a puffy sticker. I haven't seen puffy stickers since I was a kid. I used to collect puffy stickers. Oh, this is awesome. Oh. Oh no, he's up on the table.
He's on the table.
All right, it's his birthday. He can do whatever he wants. Here we go. Here we go. Hudson. Oh my God, it's puffy on the card too. Thank you. Oh God, it's a Hudson shake. Oh, it's mayhem. It's mayhem. Oh, let's read it, Hudson. Hi, JamesandKarla and Hudson. Just a little something to show my gratitude for all the joy and happiness your videos and posts have brought me. I too am a lover of typewriters and thought you would appreciate this cute puzzle. Oh, there's a puzzle inside. Also a little toy for Hudson, as we can never forget about him and his adorable self. Wishing you a beautiful year ahead filled with happiness, health, and much prosperity. Much love, Olga Barasoain and Pebbles and Ferrum Zuzu. Look, what is that? What do you think? Zuzu.
Yeah.
And Zerny. Maybe that's a Z too. Zerny Zuzu. Pebbles and Zerny Zuzu.
Nice.
Zerny Zuzu. Okay. Hudson. What
look,
is
puffy.
this?
Look, wait. Very cool.
And where's the Pooh?
Oh, yeah.
And Piglet. Hudson, what is this? Is this?
It's a koala.
It's perfect. It's a koala. Oh, it's so
Oh, look at how
soft.
cute. What's he doing?
Oh, it's so soft.
Keep that away from Karla.
Oh. Okay, Hudson.
Look at him. He looks so sleepy.
I know. Well, I did wake him up. There's more in here. There's more.
Look, his nose is in the box. Oh, man. I see what that is.
Oh, my God.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Oh, man, that is sick.
It's a Remington.
Oh, look at that.
Typewriter, 750-piece puzzle.
Holy smokes.
Wow.
Oh, man.
Wow.
What do you think, Huds?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Look, it's just like our Remington noiseless. Come here.
Yeah, look.
Even Hudson says so.
Yeah, he says it just like it.
Look at that.
Guys, it's going off. Look at the tail.
This is our 1947 model number 7. It's just like it.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh my God.
Oh, Olga, fantastic job.
This is extra good. Wait, and Pebbles and Zerny Zuzu.
Nice. Look at Huds.
Look at Hudson. Oh. Okay, Huds.
Oh, that's nice to go down the hall, though.
It is. Do you want to go down the hall with your new toy? Let me take the tag off.
Look at it. Here, wait. Let me see.
It's a koala.
It's
K
great.
for koala.
Yeah, K for koala.
Oh, look, he loves the puzzles. Oh, he likes the bubble wrap, I think.
Yeah. Oh, let's check if the coast is clear. Oh, Olga, fantastic job. Look at that, guys. It looks real.
I know.
It's crazy. That's awesome.
Coast.
Hudson, yeah.
Coast is clear.
All right.
Let me get Hudson down so he doesn't hurt himself.
I'll pause it.
Okay, we're ready for our playtime. Down the hall.
Coast is clear.
With Koala.
Oh, it's hard to toss.
It's so soft and cuddly.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, he loves it. Olga, he loves it.
Look at him, he loves it.
Look at the skin.
I see it.
Oh, he loves it, Olga.
Oh. Oh, he loves it.
Look how cute the face is. You ready? James.
Go in.
One time, we're down more time.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a pretty good throw.
Yeah,
right
that was
there.
nice for that. Yeah.
Oh, he loves it, Olga.
Oh, Olga, he loves it. Hudson.
Where's your toy? What's in here?
Hudson. Look how much he loves it.
Oh, he loves nibbling on it.
Yeah, he loves it. Oh, it's soft.
Yeah, he loves it. It's so soft. It's like the softest toy. Come on, Hudson.
Come on, look at him.
What does he do?
Go grab him. Go grab him. Oh, Olga, that's a fantastic job.
Oh, Olga, thank you so much. This is so sweet. Hudson loves it.
Here, throw it to him. Like, make him, let him catch.
You want one more? Look how cute. Okay, ready?
Okay.
One more time?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
All right, here we go.
Oh, good one.
Nice one. Hudson.
Okay, here he comes.
He loves it.
Oh, he really loves it. He
Yeah.
loves putting his mouth
He likes
on
to
it.
wants to cuddle with it.
Yeah, it's a real cuddle toy.
Oh, Olga, fantastic job.
Olga, thank you so much for the koala and, wait for it,
Oh, man.
the vintage typewriter puzzle. We have a lot of puzzles that we have to get.
He's just,
I know, it's just
he wants to
peeking the
play
door.
more.
We have a lot of puzzles to do, so we got to get busy with that too. So thanks so much,
Awesome.
Olga. Really sweet of you. Extra, extra good.